After adding immediate receipt date to the new purchase supplies, it's possible now to calculate moving demand dates while including the planning lines we have created to see the impact on our sales orders, meaning to see how much should we move the sales orders into the future. And in this step, it's very important to find the critical delayed sales orders and to have an initial discussion on what to do with your salespeople. Meaning, in this step, before you do all the detailed calculation, talk to your salespeople if this is actually a possible issue or we need to do something more on the inbound side. Let's look at the data in Business Central. So in this scenario, we have now calculated the move demand dates, and it suggests a lot of movement in opposite low-level code order, meaning if we scroll down, we'll see our sales item, our top-level item, and if we just filter on one of those items, like this, we can see that it wants to move a lot of lines in here. First of all, moving a lot of production order lines in this plan and thereby also moving all those sales orders. So what you need to do now is to look into those dates, figuring out, is this critical, taking the discussion with your salespeople. Can we move a sales order line like this from the 10th of April till the 8th of June? Or will the customer get very angry or whatever? And then your salespeople need to look into the different item lines, compare them to the customer, etc., and tell you this is not good enough, whereas maybe another one in here is good enough or whatever. So take that discussion with your salespeople initially to figure out which sales orders to try to investigate and try to move the purchase.